Here I am just hanging out and with my gram, and the freaking power shuts off in random spots, but is on in random spots. See? This guy's on. This guy's off. Downstairs in the laundry area, the laundry and the basement are off. So let's see what's going on. He's sleeping. Handsome boy. So I heard Xander stirring and kind of moving, so I went in and fed him a little bit, and this is how I left it. Shh, be quiet. Yum, how good do these cookies look? I finally made them again. I remembered to get the dairy milks. And I've been replacing butter a lot lately and using my coconut oil. And I also want to start replacing granulated sugar with my agave syrup. So I'll let you know how that transition kind of makes out. It should be all right. I don't notice a big difference with the coconut oil versus butter, but this recipe I want to tweak, and I'd like to have be on the lookout for a silpat, because I don't like how the edges get like that. I like them to be more like this style. So I'm hoping that a silpat will kind of fix that instead of like making them very flat. But that could also be my flour too. Maybe use more flour and whatnot. That's why I want to tweak it and get it just right. Xander's awake. Oop! Just his hand. Xander's awake. You forgot to bring it. You dropped it out here. My little helper boy. You dropped it out there. And now I'm missing something from this morning. Whoop! Ouch, I had a blister. Ooh, and it peeled off. Ouch. I gotta check out what time it is. So we got to go in a little bit. Oh, it's 3:01, so I've got 20 minutes. So we have to bring the diapers down and hang them up, and then we're gonna go for a walk. And I'm gonna try to bring my camera. So, do you wanna go for a walk, babies? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Did you have a good walk with your friend? Yeah, we're going home now, unless you want to run around in the garden. I'll let you do that for a little bit. A little bitty boo. Because I don't know if I'm done being out in the sun yet. I want to plant some stuff. So let's roll. I wonder why our screen is a little bit sticky looking. Are you having fun? You could push that right away. Luckily I locked it. Peekaboo! Hot weather. Not that it's very hot today, but you know what I mean. They're almost blending in with the stroller. I can't see you. Ooh, good save. Those little chunky legs. Those little chunky legs. Okay, I'm going to clean off this screen because it's pretty filthy. rough one. Okay, Stinky. Gotta change your diaper now.
Can I take a picture after?
Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Why it's like, there we go. Okay. Alright. Whoops. So here I've done some sunflowers. And I have some lettuce over here that I just planted in. This guy did not make it. And then I just watered him. These guys are looking nice. I might give them a little drink. But everything's looking alright. And this guy has a little flower on him. Yay. Oh, those are nice shoes. Oh, what'd you... Oh, he's got the...
After you take a picture tonight, because I really want to take a picture of him so I don't forget him.
Cool. Yep. Let me just close this fence. Okay. Oh. Xander. Take me a video. Did I catch you sneaking grapes out of the refrigerator? Wow, man, I am starving like Marvin. Oh, man. I don't feel very good. Silly boy. Anybody who knows me really well knows that I hate chili. And I have some right here that is absolutely delicious. And Xander is such a good eater. Xander. Oh, no, I do it. It's messy, so I gotta do it. Yum, yum. No? He was just eating it. Good job. And Xander is enjoying it too. Oh, a little bit of cheese that I just cut up on his face. And I have a couple of tacos that I made with it. And now we're just enjoying dinner because, whew, Mama needed some food. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow to see what kind of excellence we get into. Peace out!